So being on top definitely has some advantages. This 2-bedroom unit is a great entry point into the market and even has some spectacular views. So gravity is finally on your side. No more worrying about leaky dishwashers above or listening to the upstairs neighbors' 5 a.m. hit workouts. Let's face it, you love having your roommate, but don't want to hear their mouth breathing. The split layout has you covered with a great buffer zone between bedrooms. Perks without the dorm room aroma, your minutes to the university district, transit, shopping, coffee shops, all the convenience with none of the chaos.